Thanks for tuning in. Not going to do no long talk. We're just going to get right into it. Do we need men in society? Can you imagine women don't think they need men? Let's just get right into it. Yo, check this out. Mr. Show and I, redpillrixter.
Do we need men? Most answered very quickly, no. So
that's what's happening to the black boy trying to listen to his mama become a black man that don't even exist nowhere but in his mother's head.
Another controversial topic is that single moms can raise sons on their own.
No, that's impossible. You can only show them how to be a good woman. Men that our mothers are telling us to be don't even exist in her bed.
Ooh. Ouch.
Our mothers are telling us to be the kind of man she can't even attract into the house. So how can she guide me to be a man when she don't even have a man? She don't even know a man. Her daddy was f***ed up. Her brother was f***ed up. My daddy was f***ed up. She had a baby by my sister. How can she tell me what kind of man to be? She ain't mama, you ain't got a man. Or
hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on,
Run now, man.
of the man you got, look what kind of man you got. Mama, how you gonna shape us boys to be this kind of man that don't even exist but nowhere in your head? That's what's happening to the black boy trying to listen to his mama become a black man that don't even exist nowhere but in his mother's head. With these unrealistic expectations of a man.
But when they say yes, they also mean no. When they say no, they sometimes mean no, but they sometimes also mean yes.
Yes.
Or it could be a maybe, but maybe is a yes. Yes, so maybe also means yes. Yeah, and the guy should understand what she means when she says yes. What is she thinking when she says yes to this, as opposed to, okay, she's saying no, but she means yes. Is it a no? Or is it a no? Or is it like a no? That was like a maybe.
That was super maybe.
That was like a maybe, but on the yes side.
Yeah.
Wow.
do we need men? Most
Listen to that. Did you hear the crowd right away? As soon as she asked, do we need men? The crowd busted out laughing. All these women started laughing, but he looks like he ain't laughing, yo. Let's go one more time. Mister.
do we need men? Most answered very quickly, no. So why do you think that is?
Because men are useless.
Broadly speaking, I feel like men have proven largely useless.
Wow. Wow. These are probably married women saying this crap too, you know, honestly speaking. Then again, this one here looks single. All right, let's go. Do we need men?
Quickly, no. So why do you think that is?
Because men are useless.
Broadly speaking, I feel like men have proven largely useless. Like I think in the political moment.
I mean, and by the way, I want to differentiate between straight men and gay men because I think I would die without gay men.
Excuse me, the ABC network, which is hosting this show, would have canceled the show if it were a panel of men saying that women are useless. I see the producer right there. I wonder what you think about this one.
You are one pathetic.
Great point. Absolutely 100% true. Go on.
Cancel the show if it were a panel of men saying that women are useless. I see the producer right there. I wonder what you think about this one.
You are one pathetic loser.
Y'all would have called them misogynists,
right?
And the media would have destroyed the lives of those men.
Right.
That's something to reflect on.
True.
And aside from that, everything you just said were emotional responses, but that's to be expected from a low IQ panel.
Nerds, geeks, boring. These same men are now the ones being chased, being pursued, being begged for. Do you understand me? Ladies, what happened to the bad boys? What happened to the guys that were living life on the edge? Did it not work out for you, ma'ams? Did you come to realize that you actually needed men that were wise,
Not the Pookie and the Ray Rays.
intelligent,
Right?
stable.
Right. Wise, intelligent, stable. Not the Pookie.
He needs some milk.
Not those guys. Not those guys.
Did you finally come to your senses after being ran through and reckless?
Some pum pum wet up bed like when baby piece up bed to rascal.
So, shout out to my Jamaicans and my extra serious Jamaicans, because we're going to talk about some pom pom right now.
He needs some milk.
And whether it be ran through or not, Jamaican men, one thing they love, a spliff, some peace, and some pom pom. Let's go.
Up bed like when baby piece up bed to rascal.
After being ran through and reckless.
Some pum pum wet up bed like when baby piece up bed to rascal. And you have some pum pum sod up bed like when you wash sheet with soap. And them pum pum they make you come quick in. You could have take stud 100. You could have take stone ass tonic. As you push in, you could have drink 10 cup of Hennessy as you push in at them.
Wow.
Rotted soddy pum pum there. You come in less than a minute to rascal.
The man said soddy.
He needs some milk.
The man said them soddy.
Less than a minute to rascal. You see the pum pum them now we went up bed a white liver that. You better bad in a bed. No cure then come then just want to go and run like a pipe to rascal when it bust and just a run wild. I tell you to rat it, you know, the woman there with white liver, them no breaks.
Tell them white liver cannot be satisfied in the bedroom.
Them no breaks.
They don't know breaks. They don't know their own stopping point.
Them no breaks are rascal.
Nah?
Jaja.
Okay. Watch ya.
Some woman don't know their limit. Some woman, if you don't make them reach their limit, them malice you.
Them limit mean them climax. Alright?
Put your ball pum pum suspension. Then
He needs some milk.
know their limit. Some woman, if you don't make them reach their limit, them malice you. Put your ball pum pum suspension. Vex with you. Face along up because you don't please them. You better exercise and blood clot, keep your energy up. Some pum pum ramp with boy pitney. Some pum pum put you to sleep, you know. Make all your heart race. Some pum pum mad you too. Try your best not lose it.
Why is everything shifting right now? Like everything is just turning around, being reversed, being flipped. And I am mind blown. I am not going to lie to you.
Right.
Well, let's celebrate.
Beavis.
It's
Butthead.
party time. Let's go get some beer.
You know that dating motto that girls came up with? If he won't, find someone who will. Like if he won't open your door for you, find someone who will. Simple, right? My brother just asked me, does that work for guys too? I was like, of course. Find a girl that is up to your standards. Yeah. So he's like, so if she doesn't cook for me, find someone who will. Yeah, technically. If she won't do my laundry for me, then find a girl that will. If she won't come to the gym with me, find a girl that will.
Exactly. See how it sounds crazy now, eh? When you reverse it, right? Thanks for tuning in, and keep it locked right here on the Mr. Show with I 6 Boss. Oh, whoa.